I recorded it.
Okay, well then, we're trying to see how many cheese balls we can fit in our mouth at one time.
It's gonna be hard but gross.
You guys are weird. Kenzie, don't fit any more in, because you won't.
I put 9 in my mouth.
Nice to know. Try and talk.
That hurt my mouth.
I have a mustache.
Nice mustache there.
I'm going to pee.
Wait, stay over here, over here. Cheese balls
Yeah,
is
I
there.
don't care. It's not good for eating. I do sit with my family during the day. That's what it is. Whatever you
That's Crazy Mackenzie.
Now the internet knows my name.
Oh God.
And I'm Tay-Tay. Yep.
Yeah, that's really nice.
I'm Krista.
I'm
Bye.
Mickey. Bye.
Goodbye.
Don't ever try this.
Wait.
Alright, let me see.
Try this at home.
See ya, people.
Never try this at home.